Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to tell you 9 internet terms that you may need to know in your life. Hi, my name is Kensley and welcome to my YouTube Tech channel. Yeah, I know, long time no see. It's been a while since I haven't posted anything in my YouTube channel, and in today's video I'm gonna, I already said it, but I'm gonna show you, tell you 9 things that you may need to know about internet. Okay, we use internet every day in our lives, and you may encounter this problem when you try to load a web page and it shows error 404 or error 404. And this error is the most common error that you may see when you're browsing online. 404 or 404 simply means that the web page you're looking for simply doesn't exist, or the domain changed, the website owner deleted the web page. And if you face this error, my suggestion is to search it on Google itself or forget about it. Phishing is the use of convincing emails, web pages, or maybe an ad that shows enter your emails and password and you'll win a PS4, a car, an entire house. I don't know. Phishing, it can be very dangerous to untrained people, and my advice is distrust any emails that you don't know the sender. Clickbait. Clickbait is a term of content that is entitled in a way to tempt user into clicking it. Like 5 lazy ways to be a billionaire, or 3 tips to have a big... Okay, I'm done. And often you click on it and what was shown in the thumbnail isn't even in the video itself. Dark web. Okay, dark web is the name of websites that you can't access without an authorization or ID. These sites aren't indexed by Google. That means you cannot Google search them or by any other search engines. And let's say that they are often criminal, vile, or otherwise dangerous. Well, hotspot can refer to a mobile device that broadcasts its own internet connection using mobile data to give other devices internet connections. Hashtag. Hashtags are simple forms of metadata for posts, particularly Twitter, maybe Facebook, and Instagram. It allows you to mark your posts about a specific topic. That way other users can find them easily. That was pretty much it. If you have anything to ask them in the comments section. Like if you liked it, sub if you loved it. I'm gonna see you in the next video. Until then, take yourself out.